Today we are going to an important topic that is known as the morphology. Dear students, we know that language is connected to every aspect of the human lives. It is a such medium through which we convey our thoughts, feelings, desires, and emotions. We look the language through the lens of linguistics, and whenever we analyze language, we analyze it by different levels and components, such as phonetics and phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, and pragmatics. These are the major disciplines of the linguistics, and these are called the building blocks of the language. And among all these building blocks, morphology is one of them. Let's see what is morphology. Actually, we have already discussed that morphology is the branch of linguistics. It deals with the internal structure of the words. It studies that how words are formed. In morphology, we understand that how we create the new words by similar meaningful units. So, the central concept of the morphology is morphemes. And what is morpheme? Morpheme is the smallest meaningful unit of language. It is smallest in a sense it can't be further divided without losing meaning. Words like book, books, and unhappy contain the different morphemes. Book word contain the one morpheme, books contain the two morphemes, and unhappy contains the two morphemes. So different words contain the different morphemes. Now, in English language, morphemes are of the two types, free morpheme and bound morpheme. Free morphemes are those which can stand alone as an independent words. Words like cat, play, run, house, chair, table, pen, teacher, these words can stand alone as an independent words and does not need another word to attach them. Whereas bound morphemes cannot stand alone and need another word to attach them. Examples: un, re, id, s, and nes. These are the grammatical markers which need another morphemes to form another word. However, bound morphemes are of the two kinds: derivational morphemes and inflectional morphemes. In derivational morphemes, we form the new words. We create the new words with complete change meaning and word class. Means meaning will be changed and grammatical category will be changed. Such as we created the word happiness from happy, nationalize from the nation, teacher from teach. So these words belong to the derivational morphemes category. In inflectional morphemes, we don't make any new words, just we add the grammatical category, we add the grammatical information, such as we form the forms of verb, we make the singular plural, we make the degrees of adjective. So we don't make a new words, just we add the grammatical information. Meaning will be remain same, but forms of word will be changed. And English language has 8 inflectional morphemes. Dear students, both inflectional and derivational morphemes depend upon the affixes. And affixes is a broader term which covers the prefix, suffix, infix, and circumfixes process. Prefix is used in the beginning of the word. Suffix is used at the end of the word. Infix is used in the middle of the word. And circumfix is a such process which is used around the word. Means in the beginning as well as at the end of the word. There are also other types of the morpheme in English language, such as empty morphemes. Empty morphemes are those morphemes that have the structure or form but no meaning, no semantic content. For example, in the word cranberry, the word berry has a meaning, but crane does not have any semantic content, does not have any meaning. So such word is known as the empty morpheme. Other type is Chaletics. Chaletics morpheme are those which are syntactically independent but phonological dependent on the neighboring word. And these morphemes have the grammatical rather than lexical meaning. Chaletics morpheme belong to close classes such as pronouns, prepositions, determiners, and conjunctions. Example of chaletics morphemes are contractions in English language, such as sentence we use "What's happening?" So contraction is chaletics, and chaletics can be of the two types: prochaletics and inchaletics. Prochaletics can occur in the beginning of the morpheme, and inchaletics occur at the end of the morpheme. There are also other types of the morpheme. Zero morpheme. Zero morpheme are those morphemes that are physically not present in the word but fulfill the grammatical requirement of the language. And in the zero morpheme, null morpheme is added to the root. It has a function but no form. For example, verb like put and cut have the same forms of verb in the past and present, such as in the word like sheep or deer, the plural form is same. So such type of words belong to the zero morphemes, physically not present in the word but fulfill the grammatical requirement. Other morpheme is portmanteau morpheme. These morphemes are those morphemes which contain more than one meaning but can't be further broken into separate morpheme, such as word she. Now she is used for the third person, for the singular, for the feminine, and for also used for the subject position. Thank you so much.